students.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Okay. I will ask you some GK's question.
Yes. Yes.
Which is our national flag? Which is our national tree? Which is our national flower? Which is our national animal? Which is our national aquatic animal? Good. Which is our national game? Which is our national song? One. Good. Which is our national anthem? Which is our national bird? Which is our national fruit?